Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of vintage-inspired tech with the Aresrora Retro Bluetooth Speaker. The Aresrora Retro Bluetooth Speaker combines nostalgia with modern technology, offering a compact and stylish solution for your audio needs. Let's take a closer look at what this little speaker has to offer. First off, let's talk about design. The Aresrora speaker sports a charming vintage aesthetic, reminiscent of classic radios from decades past. With its retro rotary dial and compact form factor, it's not only a functional speaker but also a stylish addition to any room. Despite its small size, don't let this speaker fool you, it packs a punch in terms of features. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it offers stable wireless connectivity, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Plus, with support for TWS pairing, you can easily connect two speakers for a true stereo experience. Whether you're at home, in the office, or out and about, the Aresrora speaker has you covered. Its long-lasting battery ensures hours of playback time, perfect for parties, picnics, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes at home. But don't just take my word for it. Customers love the Aresrora Retro Bluetooth speaker for its stylish design, easy setup, and surprisingly loud sound quality. It's the perfect blend of form and function, making it an ideal gift for music lovers or anyone looking to add a touch of vintage charm to their space. And there you have it, folks, the Aresrora Retro Bluetooth speaker. If you're ready to take your audio experience to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy listening.